This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, very good evening for all. I hope you all are well and doing good. So guys, am I audible for all properly? Is also my screen visible for you? Kindly confirm. So guys, in the last session we have discussed these topics. I hope you have done the practice for that. If you have any confusion or doubt, you can ask. Okay, I am opening that PDF. You can let me know in which point you have doubt. Yes, kindly let me know in which point you have confusion. In the third point, it is saying the owner further investor rupees 1,25,000 in furniture and fixture. So owner is investing in the furniture and fixture. It means the owner is basically introducing that into the business. So it will be basically a business start entry. Furniture and fixture debit to capital will be the transaction. Furniture and fixture you have to debit, they will be fixed asset. Capital go for the credit. Entry will be passed out in the general voucher. Okay, is there anything which you have query in that? Fourth point, we are transferring the cash to petty cash. So petty cash debit and cash credit. Entry will be passed out in the contra voucher. Maybe you are not passing that in the contra voucher. That's why it's showing the error. Petty cash also go in the cash in hand group. So petty cash you have to debit and cash you have to credit. In the 15th point, it is saying purchase stationery at petty cash. We are purchasing stationery. Stationery means it's an stationery expense. So stationery expense debit to petty cash will be the entry. For these, we have to use the cost center and cost category. By using the cost center and cost category, we can pass this transaction. Entry will be passed out in the payment voucher. Any other doubt from this assignment, guys? Guys, have you ever tried these transaction entries by your own? You can see the 4th point transaction entry here. Is that clear? Cash we have to credit, petty cash will be debit here. Entry in the contra voucher. Petty cash you will create under the cash in hand ledger. Now about the 15th, let's see, 2nd April. Here is the 15th point. This entry will be passed out as an expense. Printing paper, stapler pen, notebook, these will go under the cost centers. Stationery will be the category. As because this is a question of cost center and cost category, so we will use those accordingly. Kindly have a look, and if you have any confusion still left, you can ask. All right. Any other doubt from this assignment? 17th, we are purchasing the chair and the table from Furniture World. Both of these are fixed asset. Entry will be passed out in the general voucher. Because these are fixed asset, we have to use general voucher for that. Chair debit by rupees 5,000, table debit by rupees 7,000, and Furniture World credit by rupees 12,000. Let me show the entry. Which one is 2nd June? Okay, here you can see chair we have debit, table we have debit, and Furniture World we have to credit because we are purchasing these fixed asset on credit basis. So Furniture World will be our creditor and we have to credit that. Furniture World will be the creditor. Kindly have a look on it. If you have any confusion, you can ask. All right. Any other doubt query from this one? Under the group unsecured loan, we will put the lessors if we are taking loan from any of the person or any of the financial institute without securities. You can see loan from Sharon Stone. Loan from Sharon Stone lessor will go under the unsecured loan because Sharon Stone may be a party or maybe a person. This loan is not secured, that's why it will go under the unsecured. All right, that's great. Any other left any query? All right, then now let's see the next topic which we have to discuss. The next topics are these: bill of material alternate unit, manufacturing voucher, manufacturing entry, stock adjustment entry. All right. So basically this topic is totally for the manufacturing purpose. Let's see how we have to deal with that. Any product, if we want to manufacture, first we have to purchase the raw material for that product. Then we will set the components or the list how many product at which quantity we are going to use as a raw material to manufacture that product. Okay. For example, in this, our company started manufacturing chocolate cake, and for that purpose, company purchased the following goods from grocers and stored in Ashoka Road godown. So our company has been started to manufacturing the chocolate cakes, and for that chocolate cake manufacturing, company is purchasing these raw materials like butter, sugar, chocolate, etc. so that we can manufacture the chocolate cake. After that, our company is assigning the products in a list that you can see. To produce 1.5 pound chocolate cake, the following ingredients and quantities required. Means in 1.5 pound of chocolate cake, we need these product at this quantity. Then we'll manufacture the product in the manufacturing entry. So the first thing comes up here, we have to purchase the raw material. So let's make these transactions. All of those topics will get clear. Don't worry about those. I have just created a new company. Now let's see what we have to do. We have to create these two basic ledgers, HDFC Bank and cash. Let's go for the create. The balance is 3 lakh. Let's alter the cash ledger and put the balance in it 50,000. Save that. Now what we have to do, we have to purchase the following products to manufacture the chocolate cake. All right. So the first thing comes up here, we have to purchase the items. To purchase the items, we have to first create these items. So let's create first. You can see a note is given here. Use alternative unit for all stock item as grams. Conversion is given 1 kg equal 1000 grams. Means here the topic comes alternate unit. Basically, alternate unit are those, a secondary unit you can say, like if in a single product we want to use two different unit of measurement, we can use the help of alternate unit. Like for example, you can see these product we are purchasing in kg, okay, but in the next example we are using these product in the gram quantity. So that means for these product we need two unit at one time. Okay, so first unit will be the kg and second unit will be the gram. Gram is the alternate unit and kg is the main unit for the stock item. So we can say in simple word, if one stock item require two different unit, we can use the alternate unit in that. Is that clear, guys? What are the alternate unit and how we have, why we have to use? Kindly let me know, is that clear or do you have any confusion? All right. Now let's see how we have to create the alternate unit. So we will create the alternate unit in the stock item creation. First, we will create the basic things. Basic things like the go down, the creditor ledger, and the stock item and the units. So let's go for the create option. I am creating the unit first. Our one unit is kg and the second unit is grams. So we will create kg. In the formal name, you can assign kilogram, the full name of that, number of decimal places. So guys, if you are going to use these unit of kg in the grams, you can see the conversion is given 1 kg equal 1000 grams. Okay, so to use these product in the gram, we have to put the decimal places in the kg unit. Okay, so how many number of decimal places we need? We need 3 number of decimal places because 1 kg contain 1000 grams, that is okay, but 1 gram contain 0.001 kg. For that reason, we have to use 3 number of decimal places in the kg unit. Basically, every time in the main unit, we have to put the number of decimal places so that we can make the conversion easily. Save that. The second unit will be the gram. Gram does not require any decimal. We can save it. Now go for the stock item. Create a stock item by the name butter. The first item it is. Group is not available. Category is not available. We can skip these. Unit. As I said, main unit will be the kg. So select kg first. Then you can see it is not showing the alternate unit option, because first we have to activate the option as well. To activate the alternate unit option, you can click on this configure option and you can activate this one, use alternative units. Make this option yes and save this. You can note the option how you have to activate the alternate unit. In the stock item creation, press F12 and activate this feature. All right, after activating the option, save that. Now you can see the alternate unit option is coming just after the unit option. In the alternate unit, select the gram. You can see it is asking for the conversion. Make it 1000 grams equal 1 kg. That's it. Simply save that by Control A. Does not need to fill the opening stock because we have to purchase these products. These are not the opening stock. Save it. Let's see another example. Sugar, unit kg, alternate gram, conversion 1000 gram, 1 kg. That's it. Save this by Control A. Guys, kindly create all these stock items. Also activate the option of alternate unit in your company. Also create the creditor ledger and the go down. Do this first. When you're done, then let me know. All right, guys, that's great. Now let me create all the items. X are not given in the kg, so we will use basically pieces here. In the X, no alternate unit will go. After creating the stock item, let's also create the ledger. Go first. Under the sundry creditors, it will go and save that. Also create the purchase ledger under the purchase account. Now we have to pass the simple purchase entry here. Let's also create the go down. The go down is remaining here. Now simply go for the purchase voucher. Make the date. Date is not mentioned, so we will take 1st April. Invoice number is given here. We can use that. Put the party account. No tracking number, no receipt number. Simply save it. Now select the items. First item is butter. Location is Ashoka Road. Quantity is 6 kg. When you put 6 kg in the quantity option, you will see it is showing the conversion of 6000 grams at bottom of that. Suppose if you are purchasing only 500 grams, so you have to put 0.5. It will be 500 grams. If you are purchasing 50 grams, let's put 0.05. It will be 50 grams. If you are purchasing only 5 grams, let's put 0.005. It will be the 5 grams. That's why we have to put the number of decimal places in the kg unit so that we can use the quantity as per our need. So we are purchasing 6 kg here. The rate is 200. The 200 is basically per kg it is showing here. But if in any case the 200 is the rate of per gram, okay, so what you have to do here, just use and type grams here. The amount will be calculated as per gram value. You can see if I am putting kg here, the amount is calculating as per the kg. But if I am putting grams here, the amount is calculated as per the 6000 grams. So basically this is a benefit of using the alternate units. We can use 2 different units for one stock item at one time. That's it, guys. In the same way, we have to select the other items. So till this point, is everything clear, guys? If you have any confusion, you can ask. As we are purchasing, so Grofer will be our creditor. Now let's select the other items for the same. Sugar, quantity is 10 kg, rate is 80 per kg. Chocolate then 5 kg at 650 per kg rate. Flour is 15 kg at the rate 45. Then milk is 12 kg at the rate 75. then X are 100 pieces for 4 rupees per piece. Vanilla extract 3 kg at the rate 1000 per kg. Baking powder 1 kg at the rate 3700. Then salt 1 kg at the rate 40. That's it, guys. From the total amount options, select a new reference, make the bill, and save the entry. Kindly have a look on it. If you have any confusion, you can ask. So basically the main topic we have learned here is the alternate unit, and also we have purchased the raw material for our manufacturing process. Save the transaction now. You can check the stock summary. You can see the stock items here. So guys, till this point, is everything clear? All right, great. Now let's see the next. The next is saying to produce 1.5 pound of chocolate cake, the following ingredients and quantities required. So basically we are making a list now that which product we have need at what quantity to make this 1.5 pound chocolate cake. This process is basically called bill of material. We will assign the material in a bill that we need these products at this quantity to manufacture the same. How we have to do the manufacturing, sorry, bill of material? Let's see. If you want to make a definition for the bill of material, you can say in simple word, bill of material is a list of stock items which we need in the manufacturing for a specific stock item. So the stock item which we are creating here is the chocolate cake. Let's also create the pound unit with 1 decimal. Go for the create option. Unit will be the pound here. Number of decimal we have to use 1 because you can see 1.5 pound. 1 decimal is coming, so we have to use 1 decimal. Then go for the stock item. After coming in the stock item creation, you have to press F12 or click on the configure option and activate bill of material feature. So here it is, set a components list bill of material. Bill of material also known as component list. Okay. Simply make this option yes and save that. I am highlighting the option. You guys can note this one by putting a heading how to activate bill of material option. In the stock item creation, press F12 and activate this one. Kindly note that when you're done, let me know. So after activating the option, simply save this by Control A. If this option is not coming, you have to activate these two above options: show more configurable and show all configurations. If these two options yes, the option will be appear here. Now let's create the item chocolate cake. Unit will be pound. There is no alternate unit we have to select. Skip that. Select not applicable. You can see the option is coming by the name set components bill of material. So make this option yes. It will ask you to assign a BOM name. You can use this name as per your convenience. We are creating a vanilla cake, so we can say vanilla cake. If you are creating this cake for manufacturing for a special occasion, like for a wedding, for an anniversary, for a like Diwali, for any of the occasion, you can type that occasion name as well in the name of BOM. The name of BOM is up to us. Press enter. Unit of manufacture. We are producing 1.5 pound. Now we have to select the stock items and the quantity. Select the item, select the go down, put the quantity. We need 125 grams butter. So if you guys directly put 125 here, you will see it will be 125 kg. So what we have to do, we have to select 0.125. Just type 0.125, it will be 125 grams automatic. Select the other item as same. Sugar 200 grams, so 0.2. Chocolate 85 grams, so 0.085, it becomes 85. Then flour we have 350, so 0.35. Milk we have 300, so zero point 0.3. Eggs we have 3 pieces. Vanilla extract 15, so 0.015. Baking powder 12 grams, 0.012. At the end, salt 10 grams, zero point 0.01. By this way, we can select the bill of material and assign the components which we are going to use to manufacture this product. Kindly have a look on it, guys. If you have any confusion, you can let me know. Also, guys, kindly try to do this bill of material entry by your own self. When you're done, then let me know. If you face any confusion, you can ask at the same. All right, I'm repeating that once again. Let's save this first. Basically, to create the bill of material list for a stock item, we have to create the stock item by the name. So for that, we have created a stock item of chocolate cake. After coming in the stock item creation window, you have to press F12 and activate the bill of material option. Set component list bill of material in stock items. Make this option yes and save this by Ctrl A. Then select the unit. Alter components, you have to make this option yes. Here type the name of bill of material. Any name you can use, it is up to you. Like for example, we have taken vanilla cake. Select the manufacturing quantity unit which we are going to produce. So it is 1.5 pound for the measurement. Then select the stock items and the quantities of the product which you are going to use as the component or as the raw material of the manufacturing product. After doing all this, just press Ctrl A to save that. So guys, are you done with this one, third point? All right, then the further topic of the manufacturing voucher creation and the manufacturing entry, also the stock adjustment entries. These topics we'll discuss in the next session. Till then, you have to practice for the alternate unit and the bill of material in your homework. So see you in the next session, guys. Bye bye. Take care. If you still have any doubt, confusion or doubt, you can ask.